In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the product stock alert feature. So the product stock alert feature allows you to keep track of customers' product requests. So this is useful for out of stock products. So if customers want to order a product that is out of stock, they can submit stock alert requests, which will enable you to alert them when the product is back in stock. So for us to access the product stock alert section, we navigate to the store management section here and select sales. So in the sales sub menu, we go ahead and select the product stock alerts menu here. All right. So in the product stock alert page, you will notice that we have two sections here. We have the requests section, and then we have the products in demand section. So under the request section, you can see that there is one entry that has been made by a customer. So this is an out of stock product, and the customer has made this request so that when this product is back in stock, the customer will get an email and SMS notification to order the product. So let's say that we have gotten this request. The first thing we have to do is to ensure that we have checked the quantity that the customer has requested of the product. So for us to now proceed to update the quantity for this product, if the product is back in stock, we navigate to the store management section here and select catalog. So here we select products. So we will now proceed to check the product, which is blue shoe. So we go ahead and click on the edit button. And then in the product edit page, we navigate to the data section. And then here we can proceed to adjust the product quantity. So let's make it 100. So once we adjust the product quantity, we also check if the product has options. So we navigate to the options section here. So you can see that the product has different options. So here we can also proceed to adjust the product quantity with the actual quantity that has been restocked for the product. So we just make an adjustment here. All right. So once we finish that, we scroll up and save. All right. So after we've saved, you can see that the product quantity has been updated here. So the next thing we do is we go back to the products stock alert section. So we select sales. So we go ahead and choose the product stock alerts. So for us to notify the customer that's this customer that has made this request, we come here and tick here, and then we go ahead and click on the notify customer button here. So you can see that the customer has been notified. An email was sent to the customer's email address. So this is an example on how you can notify customers manually when a product is back in stock. So take note that the product stock alert feature also automates this process. So if you don't manually update the customer about a product that has been restocked, the product stock alert module will automatically send an email notification to the customer if the requested product quantity, that's the inventory, has been updated for that product. So in addition to the request section, you can see that in the request section, we have different filtering options here. So we can filter it to view all requests. We can also filter it to view pending requests. and we can filter the page to view processed requests. So since we've processed this request, it has been moved from pending to the process request section. So we can also view the products in demand section. So whenever a customer makes a product stock alert request, it will be featured in this table here, and we'll be able to filter the records in the request section. So note that you can also export the requests using the export button, and you can also delete process requests using the delete button. Let's say we want to simulate a new product stock alert request. So as a customer, for us to simulate this stock alert request, we can proceed to the storefront. So in the storefront page, all right, so let's wait for the storefront to load. So once it loads here, we can go ahead and let's say we want to simulate a product stock alert request. So for us to do that, we'll first need to update the let's say we update the quantity for this product. So we update it to 0. To do that, we go back to the admin panel, navigate to the product section. So we are going to update this product quantity. We change it to 0. To do this, we edit the product. So in the edit section, we navigate to the data section. So we set the quantity as 0 here. And then since the product has options, we navigate to the options section as well. Click on the view settings button. So here we also adjust the quantity to 0. So once we do this, we scroll up and save. All right, so now this product is out of stock. So for us to simulate a product stock alert request, we go back to the storefront page, we refresh the home page, and then we go ahead and select the product here. So you can see that in the product page, since this product is out of stock, see that there is a notify when available button here. So for us to place a product stock alert request, we go ahead and select the size we want. So let's select the large size and then click on the notify when available button. So this will open the stock alert request form. So we go ahead and fill in the name. We fill in the phone number. All right. Say this is a test. All right. So after we fill in the required information here, we go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Right. So now we have subscribed for the product stock alert. All right. So the next thing we do now that we've submitted the form, we go back to the store management section as the admin user. Now we navigate to the sales section here and select product stock alerts. So here you can see that we now have a new request that has been made here. So what this means is that the customer has requested to order the large size for this product. So, but since the product is out of stock, we will need to update the product quantity to be able to process this request so that the customer will be notified by email that the product is back in stock. So for us to simulate this and process this request, we'll need to update the product quantity for this product. So to do that, we navigate to the store management section and select products. So we go ahead and edit this product again. All right. So here since the product under the data section, the quantity is 0. So we can go ahead and update the product quantity here, and also proceed to the options section and update the quantity for the option values. So for the first one, let's say the quantity is 50. For the second one, say it's 20. For the medium size, we say the quantity is let's say 70. So once we update the quantities, we go ahead and save. All right, so you can see that the product quantity has been updated. So now the product is back in stock, and we can proceed to process the customer's product stock alert request. So to do that, we go to the store management section here and select sales. So we select product stock alerts. So what we'll now do to notify this customer manually that the product is back in stock, we come here and tick this option here. And then before we go ahead, you notice that this one has already been processed. So that's why you can see the notified date for this particular request. So, but for us to send the email notification to the customer, we tick it and then click on the notify customers button here. So now the notification email has been sent to the customer, as you can see here. So note that if we don't manually do this, the product stock alerts module will automatically send this notification email to the customer as long as the product quantity has been updated for the requested product. So in this video, I've shown you how to use the product stock alerts module. Thank you for watching.